Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to be chatting about the 2RZ engine. This is a 2.4 liter unit for your 2000 to 2004 Toyota Tacomas. This engine does have a cast iron block and aluminum heads, and although we do have them covered up for shipping purposes, this is where the smog holes are, and that's going to indicate that this is also a California emissions unit. This is a dual overhead cam engine, and it does feature 4 valves per cylinder as well. An interesting fact, it's also what we call a chain-driven interference unit. If you're not 100% sure exactly what that is or how it works, be on the lookout, because we do have a Tech Talk video that really dives deep into that and explains a lot more about the subject. And although this engine does have its timing cover installed, the most important thing you're going to want to be on the lookout for when you're in the market or doing an install for one of these is the timing chain. If there's slack in your timing chain, you're going to have piston to valve contact. We don't want that, so really just make sure you have no slack. If you are in the market for the 2RZ engine, you can call your drivetrain genius at 888-842-0023.